How to add a logo in WordPress. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your WordPress website in a very easy manner and without any problem. So let's get into the video. So a logo is something that represents you. Like for example, for WordPress, it is this W right here. This represents WordPress. So whenever I will see this logo, I won't have any confusion in learning that this is about WordPress or WordPress is being represented, although WordPress word is not written. So this is what logo does. So how you can add a logo to your website? It is very easy. What you need to do is you have to open your WordPress website, and this is the basic dashboard of that. Now you need to scroll down and you need to find appearance written right here. When we will click on that, you will see this option which says customize. This will take you to customization of your own website, and there you'll be able to add the logo. When you click on this, a new page will open up, and here you will see the templates, the themes that you can use. So this is the basic theme that I'm using right now, and here you can see the option which says customize. So you need to customize the theme that you're already using, so you need to click on that. When you will click on that, it will take you to your own website, and there you can basically add the logo. So this is my basic website, and here you can see it is just a normal casual website, and I haven't done anything to it. This is what the template already had in it, so it looks like that. So how you can basically add a logo to this. Right now you can see here, this is my style closet, but I don't have any logo right here, so I can add a logo to my website. So how it's done, what you need to do is you have to change, this is the customization tab. You need to go down and you need to find yourself for site identity. For that, you need to click on that, and then you'll be able to see two options appear up. You need to site title and site logo settings. So I'm just going to click on site title and site logo settings, and it will give me the option to select a logo for my website, and then it will also have the option to select icon for myself. So icon or a favicon is something that represents itself right here. As you can see right here, this is the WordPress favicon that appears whenever I open this tab. It appears itself on the right side of the tab. Rather than this, you can the logo will appear itself right here or somewhere whenever you want to add. So what you can do is you're just going to select a logo for yourself. So I'm just going to click on this option which says select logo, and then I'm going to go into media library. The dimensions of the image should be 180 by 60 pixels, so you have to keep that in mind when you are making a logo. I don't have anything in media library, so that I'm going to go on my upload files. I'm just going to select a random file that I can add as a logo, and I'm going to show you how it's done. It's not something that I want to add. I haven't created a logo for myself yet, so I'm just going to add a random image. Let's say this is the image that I want to add as a logo. So I'm just going to open this image. Okay, so this is the image that I want to add as a logo. I have basically checked and picked that. Now I want to add an alt text. So this is basically an alt text, title, caption, description, and URL. So if you add these kind of things to your logo as well, it is basically going to help your site with the SEO. You can add alt text, you can add title, you can add caption, description, and you can also add a URL to your logo. Whenever you can add your site URL which is already been added, so whenever a person clicks on that logo, they will be redirected to your website. So you can just go on and edit image if you want to. For example, I want to click on this option and I can go on and edit the image, or I can just click on this select option and I'm going to go with this, and it will take me to have this image for myself as a logo. So I just clicked on that, and now I need to crop the image. It is going to basically give me the option so that I can crop the image however I want to, and then I will be able to adjust the image, and then I will be able to add it. I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the main logo. I can move it fast up and down. I can basically increase its size or decrease its whole video. If there is a specific part of your logo that you want to highlight, you can just go on and crop the ends, and you'll be able to get that part only. For example, if I see that the whites on the side are like too much and I don't want them, so I'm just going to click like that. I'm going to remove all of the sides, and so that only the cherry is visible in the center. So I'm just going to bring it down. Okay, so good to go. I'm just going to click on this crop image. It is cropping my image right now, and then I'll be able to add that as a logo. So this is my logo, and it has been added. You can see right here the logo is being represented. And now what you can do is you can change the logo from this. You can decrease the logo width. For example, I want to decrease the logo width to this. Okay, so this is my logo width and this is good, and I want to add it as a logo. And the pixels are, if you want to change the measurement unit, you can change that as well. Different logo for Retina devices. If you want to click on that, you can select a different logo for a Retina devices, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to turn this option off. Now you can have your site title display site title and inline logo, and site title display tagline and site title. Okay, so I'm just going to just another WordPress website. You can just change that if you want. This is not the tagline that I want. If you want to change it, you can. This is basically inline and logo site title. What is how it's going to be like. So this is basically how it will be if I turn this off, but I want it to be in inline. Display site title. If you don't want your site title to be displayed, you can just remove that, but yes, I do want it. So you can choose that, and you can choose all of these options. After that, you can click on publish and your logo will be added. So now if you don't know how you can create a basically good logo for yourself, it is also very easy. I'm going to show you a very quick way that you can make a very catchy logo for yourself. For that, you need to open a website which is named canva.com. In here you will find all of these things, all of these templates and tools for yourself to create a logo or anything that you want for yourself. What you need to do is you can go on to your templates and you can search for logo. After that, you can click on just search and you can wait until it loads up for you a bunch of templates that you can use for your logo, and you can just customize those templates, or you can create something from blank. So as you can see here, this is basically, it has all of these amazing logos that you can use. Some templates are only available for priced version, that is the premium version, but some are also available for free as well. So you can go on and select anything. Like for this one right here, it looks really, really good. It is just very simple, but it also looks very catchy. So I'm just going to go on and it is customize that logo. So it basically says Stainfield. This is peach puff brush something template. I'm just going to choose that, and I'm going to basically change it a little bit. So it says Stainfield. I don't want to change that to something else. For example, if my website is My Style Closet, I want it to stay My Style Closet. So I'm just going to go on and I'm going to remove that. I'm going to say My and Style. And so here you go. This is your own customized logo you got for yourself. If you want to change the background brush stroke, you can also do that. Wait a second, let me just adjust it first. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller like this, bring it in the center, and there you go. Okay, so now if you want to change the brush stroke, you can change the color of that. If you want it to be like, for example, purple, if you want it to be pink, if you want to be this color, so you can change all the color of this specific brush stroke for yourself, and you can basically have everything aligned and created in a different manner. So I'm just going to go with this color right here because it doesn't overpowers anything and it looks good as well. So you can also change the color of the writing. For example, I want to change it to white. It's going to look like this. So it looks a lot more catchy like this. Then you have your little photo studio written right here. Obviously this is not a photo studio, this is clothing studio. So I'm just going to add clothing store right here, and this is good to go. So this is how you basically create a very catchy and very simple logo for yourself. Then you can upload it on your WordPress and you'll be good to go. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, you can just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.